Padukone seems to have become good friends with co-actor सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी, जो उनके साथ शकुन बत्रा की अगली फिल्म में दिखेंगे। When Siddhant dropped a video recently of himself working out in many different ways, Deepika, जो खुद अपने फिटनेस के लिए जानी जाती है, dropped a comment asking if he was showing off. Siddhant Chaturvedi made a huge breakthrough with his performance in Gully Boy, and the young actor came very close to stealing scenes from more experienced actors like Ranveer and Kalki with his effortless and natural performance. Siddhant, who has also acted in web series on various OTT platforms, is gearing to be seen in his first Dharma Productions film alongside Deepika Padukone, Ananya Pandey and Dhairya Karwa. After shooting a long schedule in Goa and being spotted shooting in Mumbai, Deepika and Siddhant have been taking the ferry regularly to Alibag और अक्सर रास्ते में दिखते खूबसूरत नजारों को सिद्धांत अपने कैमरा से कैद करते हैं। Sunsets, समुंदर and the chill atmosphere on their private ferry often make way to his social media feed. But looks like the actor has also been working extra hard on his physique for this movie. Siddhant shared a video montage of the different kinds of training regimes he has been following. Skateboarding, shadow boxing, running on the beach and many other kinds of physical training seem to be a part of his fitness routine. सिद्धांत ने अपने वर्कआउट विजुअल्स को एक रैप गाने के बीट्स पे एडिट किया है, which reminded his fans instantly of his character in Gully Boy. It seems like some of these visuals have been filmed during the film's shooting in Goa, where the team was based for quite some time. Siddhant's co-star Deepika, जो खुद एक fitness enthusiast है, dropped a hilarious comment on Siddhant's video and asked, "Showing off?" सिद्धांत ने भी दीपिका के सवाल का चीकी जवाब देते हुए कहा, "Maybe." Fans are super excited to see this unusual combination of actors together on screen. But little is known about the plot of the film, which is supposed to be about complex relationships. सिद्धांत and दीपिका की ये इंटरेस्टिंग जोड़ी ऑन स्क्रीन क्या मैजिक दिखाएगी, ये तो वक्त और बॉक्स ऑफिस ही बताएगा।